was on that freak shit. I be freaking you, shawty. You ain't about to move, shawty, no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this video with Afsister. I was super excited to do this video. I still am. Just a little disclaimer, my eyelash glue is whack. Also, all the links to Afsister wig will be in my description box. I really love this wig. This is the color I've been going for with my natural hair. But yes. So right here, I'm just putting on this net because I'm not going to be gluing this wig down since I just kind of pressed my hair out. But I wanted to come and show you guys this wig. It does not shed or anything. The color is really pretty. I did not bleach the knots. I did not do anything but press this hair out, put it on my head. So here I'm showing you the inside construction. This wig does come with a built-in band. They sew the band in for you and they already have adjustable bands. So you can have that super snug look without any glue. Right here I'm just showing you the color. They actually pre-colored this wig and they did an amazing job. I'm just going to put this on. I put my hair in a bun. You actually could just braid your hair down in 2 braids and it's going to be much flatter. But I didn't do that. I cut off the ear tabs and I cut off the little lace in the back. But I mean, it's not a 360, it's just a regular frontal wig. But yeah. You can see how snug this wig is laying on my head and I did not even braid my hair down. Right here, I'm just looking for my middle part so I can press out the middle part with my hot comb. This video is going to be super quick because this hair, like literally I put it on and I was done. Like this hair is amazing. So imagine if you glue this wig down or tape it down or anything, melted. And you guys know I have other videos showing you how to melt your lace. I didn't really want to melt this lace down because I'm thinking if I should do a giveaway with this wig. Comment down below if you think I should do a giveaway when I get to 20,000 subscribers. And yeah. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you watch more than 5 of my videos, it's only right. But thank you guys so much for the support. I'm just using my hot comb. The links to my hot comb, my wig stand, all of that will be in my description box at the bottom of my description box. So yeah, I do need to link my wig stand though. But here you can see how this is already laid. I'm using this Got2b just to hold down some of the flyaways, which it really didn't hold on any of the flyaways. I normally use my wax stick by Care, and that holds on my flyaways. But get into this color. They did a great job on this color, actually. And you can tell that this was a handmade colored unit. Like, because I can see that it was colored on, like when it's already made into a wig, if that makes sense. I can see a little bit of color on the front part of the lace, not really on the wig, but like the front area where like you might touch the lace or whatever. You can see it right there where it's flopped out. But this, how you know they did a great job, like whoever colored this wig. I'm just using my eyebrow razor to just cut off the little front area right there. I'm trying not to cut my baby hairs because I don't have time for the shenanigans. So I'm just cutting that off, and then I'm just pulling my wig forward. And then all I'm gonna do here, I cut some of the baby hairs right here. You didn't see me cut it, but I did. And I went in with this Afro G mousse and I just swooped the baby hairs. And basically that was it. If you really want this to dry quicker and for it to be molded, you would just like blow it on medium temperature from your blow dryer and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Tell me if you're super excited about pre-colored units, and yeah, bye.
All up on the couch, girl, we was on that freak shit. I be freaking you, shawty. You ain't about to move, shawty, no.